We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
1968. The W engine was offered as an option in sales literature for Comet, Fairlane, Galaxies, Mercury, Cougar, Mustang and the Shelby Mustang GT500. The W code 427 was the standard engine in the 1968 Mercury Cougar GTE. In mid-year, the W code was replaced in production by the 428 CJ.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.